thing that we can't find in Thailand, as much as we tried for breakfast, that Texans eat as pretty much a staple. Can you guess it? Breakfast tacos. There's no breakfast taco places here. Nobody told me that. None of the brochures, the tour guides, the travel agents. Nobody said no breakfast tacos. I'm just kidding. We know there's no breakfast tacos here, so we have to make our own. Today, we're making our own breakfast tacos. So we did happen to find at Macro some tortillas. I just call them wraps. Right now we're heating up the tortillas. We've got some eggs. We've got some bacon, potatoes, even had some hot sauce. So let's make some breakfast tacos. ingredients are complete. We've got the eggs, potatoes, bacon, and hot sauce. I mean, this is mainly for you. Oh, we got tortillas too, almost forgot. Can't really build a taco without a tortilla, right? So this is mainly for you non-Texan followers. We call Ain't Texas. She's hefty serving of eggs. Yeah, buddy.
I put one bacon in my mouth.
Okay. Throw in some potatoes. My doctor's not going to be happy with that because I'm supposed to be cutting out some of the carbs. It'll be okay. Throw in some bacon. A generous serving of hot sauce. And you got your breakfast tacos. Okay. So we're in Ao Nang, Thailand, so we're not necessarily going to find the regular slab bacon that we can normally get that's thick cut and whatnot. But potatoes, onions, all that, and then we're just using the hot sauce that we can find. It's better than the, what else do we all? Pace, Real Del Paso, something like that. So, but yeah, here's our breakfast tacos.
I'm making you a plate so you can sit down because that's for everybody.
Yeah, you want eggs and bacon? So they're pretty big tortillas. Kids aren't really going to be able to handle these, so they're going to have some eggs and bacon.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Good job, buddy. All right, let's see how these Thailand breakfast tacos turned out.
I want a tortilla.
You want a tortilla too? I'm glad I made extra.
Tortillas are not spicy.
No, they're not spicy.
But I like hot sauce.
Two. Hands down, the best breakfast tacos in Ao Nang, Thailand. What do you think?
Good. Good. What do you think? It's like a half a moon. It's on top.
It's on top. So it's a deconstructed taco.
You want a fork?
Better than Grand Zines.
I think I want the bacon
Butter.
Wow.
inside. Good, Dad. You?
What do you think?
Yummy and delicious.
How's your taco? Good? Best in Thailand? Good.
Say taco, please. Taco, please.
Say taco, please.